Hi, welcome to Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Zebrano, microberlinia brazzavillensis, also known as zingana and zebrawood. Zebrano is found in West Africa, mainly Cameroon and Gabon. Mature trees can get up to between 30 and 45 metres in height, and with a breast height diameter of about 1.5 metres. The wood usually has wavy or interlocked grain with a coarse texture. The heartwood is golden yellow with dark brown to black streaks. It has a zebra stripe pattern to cortisone faces. The sapwood is very pale, almost white. Bark is light grey brown, lightly textured and flaky, whilst the leaves are mid-green and pinnate. It has high crushing and bending strength, stiffness and impact resistance. It's not suited to steam bending. It's a challenge to dry due to its alternating hard and soft grain, and it has good dimensional stability once dried. It's liable to insect attack and has a specific gravity of around 0.74. Zebrano is quite easy to work with hand or machine tools, but you do need care due to the alternating grain. It has a moderate blunting effect, bores well, nails and screws require pre-boring, it glues okay, and if you use a clear filler it polishes to a good finish. Its uses include marquetry and inlays on cabinets and furniture, carving and turnery, and as decorative veneers for panelling. Its sustainability is in question, so use sparingly if you use it at all, and definitely check the origin when purchasing. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.